On today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. So this is a problem.
So, unfortunately, there's not really a lot for me to do right now. The rear end had to be rebuilt, rear differential. Whatever. You buy something used, it's gonna happen. You know, you're gonna have to deal with stuff. So, waiting on that stuff to be rebuilt, and as soon as that comes in, I'm not gonna be bored anymore. I'm gonna be very, very busy. So, Ray is gonna be doing whatever Ray does, talking about how she's gonna build and design everything. Look, I love that woman, but she doesn't really build much. So, yeah. Anyway, here we go. All right, so we sold Wazimu. Moving forward, we got a 2008 GMC C7500. It's got the Caterpillar C7 motor in it. Very similar transmission that the original Wazimu has. Very similar motor that the original Wazimu had, the M1078, which sat on a 3116 Caterpillar motor. Now we're on a 3126 or a C7 Caterpillar motor. So something I'm very similar, I understand pretty well. Something that we can work on, but a little bit more updated. For those of you former military, current military, you understand military grade. So we like air conditioning and heat, stuff like that. So I'm from a 2008 LMTV, or excuse me, a 1998 LMTV to a 2008 GMC C7500 Topkick, which, with kind of the craziness that's in my head, I think it's definitely something that we can, just make ridiculous. It's kind of the Wazimu life way.